Here's an easy Halloween setup that will impress your guests. First, tie a string to the flameless LED taper candles, attach them to the gold backdrop stand, and add a few gold branch accents. Next, cover the table with a purple polyester tablecloth, then layer the wave mesh tablecloth with embroidered sequins for extra shine. Assemble the gold 3-arm candelabra, gold charger plates, and purple dinner plates to match the tablecloth. Add orange napkins for a Halloween touch, set out the reusable cups and wine glasses, and add skeleton decor for spooky vibes. Complete the candelabra setup and place the gold branch candle holder in the center. Next, we'll hang a black arch drape on the backdrop stand and arrange the branches to blend seamlessly with the drape. And there you have it, a simple Halloween setup your family and friends will love. Follow our pages for more event arrangements and setups. Thanks for watching!